So, New Year is almost here, and before you make another resolution to improve your English, it's time for a reality check. Because even last year you wanted to improve your English, and just wanting to become fluent has not really helped you. And do you know why? Because resolutions, they don't work alone. They can keep you motivated for some time, but then eventually you lose that motivation and then you give up. And that is why I insist upon building habits. Whether you desire to stay fit or you want to become fluent, both the things require you to have some level of discipline to stay focused on your practice. Now, in order to become fluent in English, you need to ask the following questions to yourself. Who are you going to practice with? How long will you practice daily? How will you be reminded to practice? Who will keep you accountable? And most importantly, what is your goal? Why do you want to speak English fluently? Seems a lot, right? Don't worry, Ingvarta is your answer to all these questions. Here you can practice daily for 15 to 60 minutes with live English experts who will correct your mistakes and they will keep you motivated to speak more. The app will remind you to complete your English speaking practice sessions, and in case if you get busy or miss out a few sessions, our support team will keep you accountable with regular phone check-ins. And this is exactly what you need, right? So this new year, along with your New Year resolutions, enroll yourself at Ingvarta, where we will help you focus on your goal to speak fluently in English through regular practice. Join us today using coupon code GOAL and get up to 55% off on your practice plan. Happy New Year!